You guys want to know the truth about today's video? It wasn't supposed to be this, but I have terrible time management, and I started working on noise complaint, had to wait on parts, and then I got impatient, so I started working on something that you haven't seen for a while. Escalade. But the problem is I didn't get enough done to put a video out on it. I also haven't gotten a good trade-up car yet, so in this video, I'm just gonna show you guys something special. I'm gonna give you guys an exclusive look into the Patreon. It's less than the price of a cheeseburger each month to see countless uncensored, unseen before vehicles and videos. Check out Tom's Reefer Bra if you like what this video has. I know what you're thinking right now. Tom, you just introduced a new car on Patreon. Why the f are you rolling up in this big ass, ugly, disgusting Cadillac? I just had to show you guys. Cadillac, I'm sorry. This is a 1974 Cadillac Eldorado that I 100% impulse bought at a swap meet last week. I paid $2,200 for it, which is absolutely hilarious because it's actually pretty solid underneath, and the paint's just a little ugly. But come on, let me show you. 2,200 bucks. 500 cubic inch V8, front wheel drive, yes, from the factory, front wheel drive, and we drove it 2 hours home. Now I didn't film any of it, but on impulse, I just took it home and immediately slammed it and straight piped it, and I've been driving it around ever since, like pretty much daily. It burns a lot of oil, super loud, terrible gas mileage, but hey, look how big and pip it is, dude.
I can't even get it on frame.
Yeah, I know, it's so big. This is one of those above average size cars. Now, the problem with this Caddy is the exhaust. Like I said, I straight piped it, but it is so low, my fault. So to lower this car, I basically cut a bunch of coils off the rear springs and bottomed out the torsion bars in the front. So it's sitting about as low as it possibly can. Now the problem with that is my straight piped exhaust rubs horrifically on speed bumps and driveways, to the point where it has created a horrendous exhaust leak, like terrible. The manifold leaks like crazy, it sounds like shit. And I already tried fixing it once and then broke it immediately the moment I encountered another driveway. So I think today we are gonna solve this problem by doing Fender-Exit exhaust on this 200 horsepower Cadillac. What, are you gonna be mad about it? Yo, be careful on that thing, man!
Oh, that shit was hard, dude!
Oh my friends roll up, man. What you gonna do, dude? You gonna try to call your friends? They ain't got bars like that. This thing's so low, I had to f***ing put a jack under the bumper to hold it up. And I really do regret not filming this because I have not invested a single cent other than the 2,200 bucks I paid for it. I lowered it for free. Made it loud for free. Just cut the exhaust off and welded on some shit from the scrap pile. I love vehicles like this. They make me very happy. Listen to the manifold leak. The goal is to make this car so loud, you can't tell there's an exhaust leak. Oh my God. I just realized I lowered this thing so much. Look at this. These are the bolts that adjust the torsion keys. This one is ripped out completely. Awesome! That's really good. I should probably get this one out to match it, or maybe I just won't touch it. So as you can see, this exhaust rubs in a really bad way. It's knocked the clamp loose. This is my custom straight pipe here, and all of it is no bueno. The other torsion adjustment bolt completely ripped out, so I may as well make it even, right? I can keep this as a souvenir.
Wait, Josh, do that again.
Why is there a little like water thing in your inhaler?
If you suck it too, like you're not supposed to suck it too fast, so it'll make like a little sound. You suck it too fast.
You could play me a song on that thing. Alright, stop, you're gonna OD. Currently playing a fun game called Try Not to Hit the Floor Pan and also Try Not to Hit the Brake Line. I'm not very good at it. Oh no! Perfect! Look! My custom exhaust is gone. This thing's now gonna sound like donkey shit. This is gonna sound fucking terrible. I already know it. Let's go back down. Exhaust leak problem illustrated. right here. As you can see, it is sitting outside of the flange. No bueno, not meant to be like that. So, I think I'm gonna try to find one that is the same. No way, dude. No way. I think I literally just found. Damn. It is my lucky motherfucking day.
Someone just asked me for feet pics. Like, non-ironically.
Send them.
Dude, I would legit tell them $300 and I'll do it.
Dude, there's your career.
Let me see.
They want custom feet pics.
Into feet.
What the f?
Say $500, I'll consider it. Cash at me. What, did you hit the bumper?
No, dude, I just saw that page. I got a boner.
Not only am I using that random Ford pipe piece, I am using the Ford flange mount too because it just fits better. Which is, literally kind of fucking crazy. Got this side out, I'm gonna weld this horrific gap. Cool. Wow, how to make a beautiful pipe adapter for your Cadillac 500.
Dude, I just found a temperature gun that works? This was just sitting in the fender. Your balls through your jeans are currently 70 degrees.
Kinda thought I'd be hotter than that.
You're hotter than me.
Guys, look at those angles. They're like identical. They look awesome. They look great together. I know. You don't have to tell me. What's going on? Look at what we're doing to the exhaust in the Cadillac. This is the only exhaust I could think of that just won't rub, so it's higher in the front than it is in the back. Ever since I fixed the exhaust leak and the exhaust leak came back, I've kind of been subtly daydreaming about doing this just because I thought it would be silly and goofy. And I'm sure it's gonna sound terrible, but it honestly looks pretty cool from down here. I'm pretty happy with that. All right, I estimate this is gonna sound pretty terrible, but in a good way.
Thank you, thank you.
That's kind of awesome. It sounds better. You think that's gonna scrape off?
Yeah. I don't think you're gonna make it out of the housing development.
I think I will. I think it's gonna. I can't wait to key bump it. Pow, pow. Look, it's moving the dust. I don't think I could ever sell this car now. It's too good. I was a little worried. I thought it might be dumb, but it's far from dumb. It's awesome. That's awesome! All right, let's get the pops. Dude, I haven't even key bumped it yet, all right? Let's get a little pull going. Up in that little Silverado, man. He ain't got shit on the Caddy 500. Hold on, let's get a quick key bump going. I bet it shoots flames. Wait. You wanna get out the window? f***ing stupid. Once again, it has cost me $0 to modify this Cadillac. Lowered it, 4 different variations of exhaust. Haven't spent a dime over 2,200 bucks. I love the Caddy. Ah, man, this exhaust is so f***ing stupid. I love it.
Those flames were insane.
Really? Wake up, bitch! I'll get some good ones going down this hill. That one was big.
Yeah.
Oh, is it bad that I really f***ing like how it sounds? My interior lights have also stopped working. Well, the Cadillac's falling apart. It's getting louder and louder. But at least it doesn't have a f***ing stupid ass f***ing exhaust leak anymore. I fixed that, okay? Now the exhaust is basically just one big leak. I fucking love this thing. Dude. Alright guys, well, that was a lot of fun. I honestly am happier with the outcome than I expected. I think it sounds really cool. And it cost no money. So thanks for being along for the ride. I love you guys. Thanks for being on the Patreon. And I'll see you very, very soon where we work on Dime Bag. Now, I am aware this is cheating. I was never supposed to post a Patreon video to YouTube, and I'm breaking that rule. So to make it up to you, there is a big Tom's Refurb merch discount code in the Patreon right now. So if you're in it, go grab some cheap merch, save yourself some money. Hello, and welcome to the Tom's Refurb Patreon. In this video, I will be showing you this ratty car that I bought on Sunday.
Hey, oh, buddy. Hey, buddy, stop. Stop.
69 Chevelle. And let me tell you, she's a bad bitch. Ready? You don't need to film that rough. You do have to film this though, ready? Yeah, baby. You hear that 400? Excuse me, sir. Welcome to the car.
Can you give me something to sit on?
Welcome to the whip.
I'm supposed to wear these jeans later tonight.
It's got a 400 small block, turbo 350, 373s, big old cam, and it's still somehow really fucking slow. This car was sitting in the guy's like yard for God knows how long. There's mold everywhere. Sean is kind of sitting on dirt and old cardboard. Look next to your face. I'm sorry. This thing is so bad. It ran like dog shit when I got it. But now it doesn't mean that. It's got a locker in the rear too. Whoa! Whoa! You okay? You okay? The speed. Oh yeah, when I go more than 40 miles an hour, the speedo gears up or something, so it just goes. Tag, you're it! No! Rear end! Oh God, no, no, it's not. Alright, you guys ever felt a 400 before? You ready? I'm gonna manually shift it. That's called driver mod, okay? You guys alright? You gonna be okay? Ready? She'll move out. Ooh, the drum brakes you shake your head, Sean? Now, we will perform one of the most serious performance tests known to man. We will attempt the donuts.
Starting off heavy.
Sean's shaking his head. I don't know why.
Let me get out and film
I don't know. You don't need to hold on. I don't need it. It's fucking so bad. The slicks are scary. Should I attempt it again? No? That could be really bad, actually. That could be really bad. I'm gonna coast backwards and get Well, guys, you just witnessed live why you should not do what I do. I don't see anyone coming out and screaming at me, which is a good sign. But this little battery is super weak. Lady. Thank you.
Oh, I mean, thank you.
That ground was kind of cracked. All right.
Foot to the floor, crank it, Tom.
Yeah.
Do it again. It's your terminal up here. Yeah, it's toast.
I think the battery's dead.
Yeah.
Well, good news is no one's here screaming at us right now. And the battery's dead. This is not the way I planned this to go. Well, when we get an update, we'll keep filming. But for now, it's just us on the side of the road.
You guys want to do a spa day while we're here?
Oh my god, what are the odds? Some guy just drove by in a really nice Civic. Yeah, I think so. He had a jump box on it. Hold on. Stop. Give it a minute. Maybe we broke it and it won't start.
One more time.
One more. Oh, can you wiggle that? Oh my god. Oh my god, what are the f***ing odds? Homeboy drives by in a Type R with a jump box in the trunk. What are the odds, baby? Alright, well, we've learned that the Chevelle does not like donuts. I should probably just go straight home, right? I shouldn't try to do a burnout. I should probably just go straight home, right? I shouldn't do a burnout, should I? I mean, I probably shouldn't test my luck after we just were the luckiest people in the world. I shouldn't grace this place with a burnout right now. This needs traction mowers bad. Alright, well, that was an eventful and really scary Tom's Sweet for a Brawl episode that I didn't expect to have. But thanks for joining us on it. I'm being gross. Mom, I'm scared. You guys were just able to see 2 Tom's Reefer Brawl Patreon episodes, and I post them just like that every single week. So if you like that, feel free to check out the Patreon, check out Tom's Reefer merch, and check out Speedy's equipment. I'll see you guys real soon with some normal, regularly scheduled projects. Love you guys. A lot. Bye.